Now, I don't know, y'all might remember that green wrap I did on that Jeep a while back. Came in for that heat. We changed it up. Yes, sir. Today's project, we have a Jeep Wrangler, TJ edition. We're gonna be removing this vinyl wrap from it. Currently on here is a satin silk green chrome vinyl wrap. We're gonna be removing that, going with a new color. The new color gonna be kind of different. It's gonna be better, special, different effects. Now the benefit to a spray wrap, which is what we're going with, is that spray wrap can get inside everything, because it's kind of difficult to wrap a Jeep that's not already black. So when it comes down to getting inside those areas where you see the red, spray wrap's gonna shoot inside there easily. So we're gonna go ahead and get to removing this, take off the parts that's needed. Then we're gonna go ahead and begin with the new wrap. Y'all stay tuned for that new color. And we back. We got everything masked off. So it's showtime. We gotta do the door jams because this is a Jeep. And with Jeeps, you gotta do it. So we're gonna do these door jams. Gonna get that done. And we gotta do these rails in the inside. So we got everything ready. It's time to go ahead and do what we do. Let's go. So that concludes the end of the video. And if you watch my channel and you subscribe, you already know what time it is. Let's go. So we got the Jeep Wrangler TJ edition. We got the ZTX all the way around it. Now this color here changes multiple colors. So you never know what you're gonna get until you hit that light. But the main colors is purple, and it just flips different colors. We did some previous work on this truck already, so therefore, that's why you got that perfect look in the front. Check out that video before. Now we got the ZTX all on the tow hooks to match. Couldn't find a color that's gonna quite hit with it, so we went with the same color. Now when you take it all the way around, color change. That's the whole purpose of a color change pearl. You want a nice transition. And ZTX hypershift is probably one of the best that's out. All hypershifts shift very well. They shift way better than just your normal pearls. But you see the transition, right? That's what you want. Transitions, color changes, whatever you want to call it. But if you're gonna color change it, you gotta try one of these hypershifts or a mega shift. Those are the best pearls you're gonna find, like I said. Now when it comes down to this right here, that's solid, man. That's a solid look because you don't have too many other things going on. That's how you complete your car, man. If you want to put it together, complete it right. Now for this vehicle here, they previously came in for that satin silk green, but it wasn't it, and that was a vinyl wrap. This time, we hit it with the blicky. We put the blicky on there. We did a liquid spray wrap. If you're interested in one of these shirts and you like to order you one today, check out our website at newtouchauto.com. You'll find there are many more options to choose from when it comes down to these t-shirts we got available. Now for my subscribers, thank y'all for checking out this video. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down low. It's free. Thank y'all for checking out this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.